friends! Today I want to share with you CHANKO-NABE. CHANKO-NABE is known for sumo wrestlers' meal to take various kinds of nutrients after the intense training. And each sumo bear has its own recipe, and this is one of it.
First, let's make chicken soup for CHANKO-NABE. Nabe means hot pot. This recipe is from my father's friend who was an actual sumo wrestler. They make soup from chicken bones and kelp. Combining bone broth and vegan dashi makes a tasty soup. Today I make with chicken wing so that you can enjoy it as meat after all. Quickly blanch the outside, remove the unwanted smell. Put the chicken into a pot with water, sake, and ginger skin. Bring it to a boil and skim off the scum. Cook them on medium-low heat for 30 minutes until the soup reduces in half. In another pot, put in dried shiitake mushroom and kelp and cook on very low heat and simmer it 20 minutes to draw out all the umami. While making the chicken soup and kombu dashi, let's make Tsukune meatball. This recipe is super easy but so tasty. My father's friend said this is the secret recipe from the sumo bear he used to belong to. Put your ground pork and ground chicken into a bowl and add in sake, red miso, or any miso you have, egg white, and potato starch or cornstarch. Mix really well until all the ingredients are combined. Add chopped Chinese chives or scallion. Pork and Chinese chive goes well in terms of the taste, and also the combination boosts your metabolism. Transfer to a shallow tray, tap and remove the air inside. We will serve this as it is. Cover with a plastic wrap and keep in the fridge until all set. Cut your cabbage into bite-sized pieces. Usually we use Chinese cabbage for hot pot, but for this recipe, we will use cabbage for its sweetness and soft texture. But basically, you can use any vegetables in your fridge. Chanko means any meals in sumo bear, so there are no rules. Cut the roots from the Kikuna, chrysanthemum leaves. It is very fragrant vegetable and often used for hot pot like this. You can replace it with kale or spinach. Shave carrot using a peeler. The carrot is cooked in no time and the texture is so soft. Shave burdock roots as well. Release in cold water to prevent from turning brown. Tear maitake into bite-sized pieces. Maitake has an immune-enhancing effect so that it can protect yourself. So we are taking it almost every day after the outbreak of the COVID-19. And it tastes so good. Now let's finish the soup. Combine chicken soup and kombu and dried shiitake mushroom dashi in the earthenware pot. The soup is about 1 liter. Add a quarter cup of mirin and light soy sauce. My ladle is the size of quarter cup, so it's easy to know how much I add. Give it a taste and adjust the taste to a little bit saltier than the normal soup. Because we are adding a lot of vegetable, so the moisture from the vegetable makes it thin. Let's see the ingredients. We have vegetables, Tsukune meatball, and chicken thigh cut into chunks. Add some gyoza dumplings. Okay, let's finish cooking. Place portable gas burner in the center of the dining table and put the ingredients in the earthenware pot. Drop tsukune, shape into bite-sized pieces. Cover the lid and cook 5 minutes until the ingredients are cooked. For the dipping sauce, prepare pond soy sauce. Do you remember we used yuzu for osechi dishes and take out the inside? It will make a great pond soy sauce. much better than the store-bought. And this is called mikan kosho, a condiment made of Japanese orange peel and green chili pepper. It gives a kick for the CHANKO-NABE. It looks so good. Serve in an individual bowl and serve immediately. For Kikuna, chrysanthemum leaves, cook 20 to 30 seconds would be the best timing for eating without losing its fragrance. And if you like, topped with chopped scallions and Japanese 7 chili peppers. For finishing the CHANKO-NABE, we have several options. Add rice or udon noodles are popular, but it's still a new year. We have leftover mochi in the pantry. Grill it and put in the pot. Mochi soaks up the tasty dashi and it tastes so good. The beauty of the CHANKO-NABE is the tasty dashi. All the umami from the ingredients are melted in the soup. And it has nutrients to give our body strength. It's freezing outside, but the hot pot in the dining table warm up your room and your soul and your body. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for more information, and my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!